Pro Shops knockoff. Little 3-inch on a ball head with a weed guard.
Hold that fish up. Nice.
Okay.
Making this work today.
Hold on. I gotcha.
Hey guys, what's up? Super excited about this little thing we got going on today. It is 42 degrees, fingers are freezing, there's a little bit of frost out. Perfect time to chase my favorite species. That's right, musky. We got ourselves a fun little adventure today. Got a good group of friends here. My buddy Russ, who's a kayak fishing hammer. Trait Zaldane fishes the Bass Opens and her camera guy. And Russ and Trey have never caught a muskie. So we're gonna do some smallmouth fishing, and we're gonna see if we can't put some of these feisty, toothy fish in the boat. We'll see if they're not too upset with me for neglecting them all year. I'm excited to get back at them. I miss them. I miss them a lot. So let's get this adventure started. We have two back here and two up front, just lifting, keeping the nose up. We'll just feed it down slowly. We're gonna get it down there. And then I gotta get past that first ledge.
Okay.
So you guys are gonna have to go down ahead of me and find a chute for me to get down with this boat.
I'm down to pay 20 bucks. I'm down to pay 20 bucks to use a launch ramp. That's nothing.
Yeah. It's gonna be great. Alright. Ready? Johnny, lift that front end up, and we're just gonna guide it.
Hold on one sec.
We'll just go nice and slow. I got it back here. Hold on, he's under it.
You okay, Russ? Sure?
Hold on,
we're gonna start getting rope now.
Yeah, just let it get rope. Yeah, because it'll take you out.
We're okay. I know it's not gonna hit me. What I'm gonna do is, I'll just guide it. You guys just hold the weight back. Should get that side.
I'm gonna come down and help you.
Here, I'm okay.
They're not.
Hey, yo.
Easy, Trey. That's not.
No, it's not. I thought it might be. We're almost there, guys. Okay, now so I want to slide down. So, Christine, you might want to help him on that back end.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it right here. Just keep it. Got it. I got it. I mean, we're there. That's about as golden as we can get. You go? Okay.
You okay? Some more?
You can let go of Trey. All right. Woo!
Made it.
We did it. Yes. Sure. You got a little smallmouth. Oh no, it's a spot. Yep, spotted bass. Pretty fish. Go, another one. I think it's a spot. Another spot. This is a little bigger. Man, look how pretty those things are. These spots have beautiful coloring in here. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Oh, it's fun. freaking caffeine shad. I'm sight fishing them. Yeah. I just twitch it twice and they go all over it. This is a little smallmouth. A baby smallmouth. Oh, oh. Yeah. That's a little better smallmouth. Come on, get one of these little caffeine shads. I got a bunch of them. Little fluke smallmouth creek action. Tough to beat that. Look at that giant turtle.
Is that what that was? The noise?
No, he's just slowly, you'll see him if you come up here. Oh, did you see that?
You got him?
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna, cause that's a spot. Yeah. I heard that fish eat it.
Is that a largemouth?
No, it isn't. No, it is a largemouth. You're right.
You got all three?
Yep,
now.
that's a largemouth. He'll throw that little Ned's on and hook like rock bass and baby smallmouth. He's.
Oh my God! Look at that one.
Oh, that's a big smallmouth.
It's like a 4-pounder.
Yeah, that's a 4-pounder all day. Dang, where did he come from? That was most definitely a
Pretty
4.
close before if it wasn't.
Yeah, it had to be close.
Close to 4 pounds.
Yeah, that was a really nice fish.
When you guys catch fish that's not in a tournament, do you still go by inches or do you talk pounds too?
Both.
More pounds.
Yeah,
right?
more pounds.
Sometimes inches.
It is funny to listen to some kayakers talk about pounds because they're so off sometimes.
Oh,
There we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Yep,
Oh
that's
shit,
a,
that's
oh
a giant!
Oh my gosh, yep, that's a good fish.
You got your video going?
Yes, running right at the phone.
Do some drag.
The drag should be all right. The drag should be all right. That's a big smallmouth. Holy shit. Sorry, my French.
A long one.
Yeah.
We'll go with inches on that one.
Yeah, we gotta. You are a beautiful fish.
Get him!
I'm trying. Yes. That is a beauty.
That's a long one.
Heck yeah.
Nice.
That thing wasn't gonna go anywhere. Right at 20 inches.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's awesome.
Let me get one.
And so that's good.
Okay, you ready?
Go for it. Beautiful.
Now it's a gorgeous fish.
Oh.
Did you have him? Oh, that's a little one. I think he's gonna eat it. Yeah, he did. That's not a bad one. It's not a bad one at all. He's probably 16 or so. Not a bad fish. I watched him come out of there and eat that. I love that. There's a Russ saw like a 5-pounder in there.
All right, big one. Went over 4 pounds. Just super wide.
Oh, that's a nice one.
He's coming at me. Oh, he's
Yeah.
little. He ain't bad. Oh, look at the one with him. Look at the size
Oh,
of
that's a
that
big
one
one.
with him.
There's two, Russ, there's two with him.
Get him.
I'm trying.
Oh, he's spooked.
Where's he at?
He's right there. Right behind him. Right by.
He's here.
Yeah, that's good. Yep. Did you get it?
There's 3 of them, Russ. Like 3, they're all big. Oh my gosh, I got caught in my rod. No!
That other one was bigger than this one. Yeah, the other one was caught. This one's almost 3. The other one was probably 3.5.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if they'll eat a jig. Musky love when those things are in distress.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah.
You're fine with those.
Yeah.
There you go. Got it?
Yep, little one.
Get up here, Trey.
Man, look at that little dude, right?
Aggressive.
Yeah, there's. Look at that little smallmouth. On a little spark shad. That was a little bit of a cluster. Alright, let's get through these rapids and start musky fishing. We've got to try to find that line. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This one I think should be okay. But there is a very obvious rock somewhere up here. Alright. I think I made that one. Woo! Oh! Nope. Caught my smallmouth rod with my musky rod and about lost it. It's the juice for those little smallmouth. Oh! Yeah, spot. That thing's pretty ambitious. Oh, okay. Oh, buddy, that back hook went right in the stomach. That's not good. I know there's freaking musky in this stretch. Look at that bang. That's so good. Where the F are they? Alright guys, so this marks the end of our float. What a day. No musky today, but you know, was kind of a wild little adventure. And that big smallmouth was just a bonus. So just kind of really cool to see the places that these little plastic boats will take you. And we caught some. Yeah. Not too bad. So yeah, grab yourself some kayaks, head to these little creeks in your backyard, and go have a good time. We'll catch y'all later.